Jengsi kardam kadu kawe karbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangara do an pasta mela pen pinila so video long nani tumhana ki wan pila bangki Dipu Medical College long pen kapik langpon awreng warsai aputak sila so video long nani tumhana ki wan piglo kona na post sa vacancy sidoma kay planning ji koson mal last date kumantu mal so details la bangki nani tum la so video long si tag pon long ekpo nani tum la so YouTube channel na anta subscribe relang plote subscribe ikon la pen videos ta nani tum share pon ikon tak non patiek pen Dipu Medical College long pen kapik lang pon awreng warsai aputak li lang polonang la pen chetan polonang Tang non patiek pen chetan pontulo nang la pelang pontulo nang nali tum la screen long tek pon long exi nil long do puthot advertisement alu la penali tum dak tek pon long pa government of Assam office of the principal cum chief superintendent Dipu Medical College and Hospital lain pensi la so awring website la bangke paklang pon iglo la penali tum dak tek pon longi requirement for the following post in medical college level virus research la pen dak Diagnostics Laboratory lapen under DHR at Department of Microbiology Dipu Medical College and Hospital Dipu Karbi Anglong ahin pensi dak paklang poniglo la sining ke hang abang phu mate abang fiatum nali tumjong se interested pulot jogdon iktame lapen la sopus la bangke kapiklang podang sponsored la bangke DHR mate Dipu Medical College and Hospital Dipu ahin pense paklang poniglo la pen screen long nali tum dak thek pon long exi apos la bangke dak laboratory technician apan isian apos kipi pondo la pen salary nali tum 20,000 plus it's RA pusida ke tokpon mate 20 plus nali tum long pon exi la pen a minimum qualification ali tum dak thek pon long ateng polo tangte dak thek long ji essential BSc mate MLT from government recognized university anat penang po BSc ki kachar litang atum la pen 2 years lab experience tamme dunang ji kali pulte nali tum 12 pass tamme chok tamme nali tum science la pen diploma in medical laboratory technician from government recognized university along pen siki dun tang atum nang pol la pen 2 years dak left experience la bangke donang poputa ladak tok pono age limit langdam lo pulto nani tum 21 years pen 30 arta abang phu abang fitum si jogdon long chade la pen dak is relaxable in government ating pen kan madak ke people na so teng lo is relaxable la bangke la pen puthot si PPC kineng ma pulta experience in government institute in ICMR lapen DHR IDSP lapen CSIR DBT lahai along stame experience to naing lapen computer stame knowledge to naing pusi dake tok ponlo lapen apus la bangke ki ong okay kali isivet stame nani tumjong sining hang pulte la bangke jogdon iktame lapen dake tok pon teng pulo tang te nani tum koson salary puthak la bang tala so puthak stame tok ponlo the payment for the above mentioned post subject in the increment as per latest DHR guidelines and receipt of fund mate DHR guidelines setting selang litum salary hai hui bang stame pipon pop sida tok ponlo terms and condition la pen so waring war sai la bang kedak purely contractual post lo la bang ke temporary post shot mate 12 months upon lo nani tum ningkani siapan la penjons nani tum claim don lang pote puthot nani tum renew to nangsi la sovereign website la bangke the pen application and selection process la bangke son lo candidate have submit their application form through speed post pen nani tum sense tamechok kali pulte nani tum office por hodamra la dake tok pondo principal cum chief superintendent Dipu Medical College and Hospital 7824 60 la sodium sinali tum dampen stame hoda dropbox tu hoda stame nani tum jogdon iktame la pen kitok nangji la bangke la sonlo athak envelope long application for VRDL contractual post of laboratory technician person tok do nang po la pen last date la bangke nani tum dak theklongji 10 January 2025 si last date lo so prang nani tum jongsi jogdon example te prabjen pen jogdon eknang po la pen interview la pen kapre details la bangke nani tum so YouTube channel long stame update la bangke long pon exi la pen documents number 3 long bang la documents submit nang po nani tum dak theklong je documents to be submitted la pen passport size photo nang po qualification degree certificate la pen one set photo start copy in identity proof and address proof la hello dak piduneng ji la bangke la pen la so waring warsai puthot alang litum dak tok pontlo this is purely contractual post and the such in not will not have the claim whoever is the regulation writer in the CHT fu la son dak tok pondo na litum lang ponigo la pen kay apply ji afan a form bang na si kilong ji ma plo tang te na litum long ikji form ta la so di ma to iklo na litum dak thek long ji application for form for a laboratory technician on contractual basis viral research and diagnostic drug laboratory VRDL DMCH dipu la penali tum da apu semen dimension do napo la penda photo pa bon napo color filling photo napo la pen number 2 lang to pondo name in block letters la pen name of project la banani tum dak pen ingwai ponigon la pen kiching si dak na litum amen block letter mate ame ke thepen tong nang po la pen father mate guardian amen la pen postal address na litum dak details address da mention nang po state tong nang po pin code tong nang po na so na da contact number tok don nang po na litum la contact number la pen email id sta mi pido nang po la fill up igdet pen phi permanent address pen la postal address so sample te na litum da sample tok ta chok alte fill up des tamet thank you sunga ve la pen state na litum togon pin code put out the alternate contact details la pen date of birth na litum dak tok nang po date of birth tok nang po gender number 8 long gender male female na litum tok nang po number 9 long educational qualification details na litum tok nang po the latest degrees come first mate non anse ka charlie bomma la so degree a class pen se cheng ponang ponang litum la pen la dak ki jut an bang metric an na litum pinang po la pen number 10 long do works experience do plot na litum dak pido nang po ko pp long na litum experience do ma la pen ki jut si nalitum da amen ci tong nang po date tong nang po la pen nalitum da sign puthot tong nang po la pen place tong nang po la son la pen enclosure copy pc nang ima upload tang te nalitum proof of date of birth nang po address proof of nang po la pen all academic certificate including mark sheet pass certificate nang po la pen experience certificate nang ji la pen number 5 lang topot kapre documents do pulte nalitum pidon ikmelo lalo la se apus bang dak temporary fanchot mate contractual under la se 12 months upon litum claim jin ing hample claim iktame la pen litum naing pulte la so details bang hanili whatsapp group la pen telegram channel on stamini listen pon igdet pon litum hondak pen lang pon iktame la pen apos bang ke ong okay kali isiver la pen salary dak 20000 analitum long pon exi last date la so cheklo 10 January 2025 se last date lo la pen video na litum share pon igon Karbiang long rasta me plaik nang lapen pachinik na jong si mane ki jog dun jibang do pulo tangte alang litum paklem to nang lapen pajog do na tangte pinia video long bang la aning ton ponik nang la si domi thakmi kaduka vi karbitish 2.0 youtube channel long kilangara do advance tame nilhin pen kardam